course, you better add Friday nights to that list as well.
See you at the Grand Slam, baby.
The following is a tag team bout set for one fall with a 20-minute time limit and accompanied by Tony Blanchard from Asheville, North Carolina. At a combined weight of 443 pounds, Dax Harwood, Cash Wheeler, and T.O. And their opponents at a combined weight of 381 pounds, the team of Matt Seidel and Dante Martin.
Before the bell rings, want to remind everyone, it's not just Dynamite. That's a Grand Slam next week. AEW Rampage Grand Slam. 2 hours of action next Friday night. And look at Matt Seidel trying to make a quick end of this.
We're going to challenge and a challenge accepted.
Look at this roll up. Dennis Harwood. Take down that second time.
Christian Cage, Lucha Sergeant, Copperboy have accepted. Adam Cole and the